Hello everyone. I am letter O. My sound is O. My sound is O. Hello everyone. I am letter U. My sound is A. My sound is A. When we both come together, we give new sound. The sound of OU, ow. The sound of OU, ow. Let's start. OU, ow. OU, ow. Out. L, ow, d. Loud. S, ow, d. Sound. K, ow, t. Count. Gr, gr, gr. Ow, d. Ground. Pr, pr, ow, d. Proud. Ow, noun. Ow, t. Mount. R, ow, d. Round. S, ow, th. South. I, ow, d. Found a bag. I found a bag. I can k, ow, t. Count to 10. T and 10. I have one p, ow, d. Pound coin. I have 1 pound coin. That is a ow, t, n. Mountain. That is a mountain. I, ow, d. Found a toy. I found a toy. It is your homework to do this work in your rough notebook. Bye bye all of you.